morning. We're off to hit another trail. To hike another trail. It's a trail I've done before. It's been years ago. It's called Natural Arch here in Los Alamos. I don't believe it's a long trail. I'm pretty sure it's not a long trail. But I think it'll be fun. Hopefully get to fly the drone around. And I am lost for words as usual. Yeah, fun talking to the camera. But, all right. Number 2. Good morning. We're back out on a Saturday morning. We're going to go check out Natural Arch via the Mitchell Trail this morning. I'm moving my camera around. I apologize. That was dumb. I'm trying to be cool and, okay, take 3. Good morning. So we're out on a Saturday morning. Going to go hit the trail. Going to go check out Natural Arch. It's been years and years since I've been over that way. I think it'd be fun. Go fly the drone around. See what there is going on. It is warm. It is spring. So I keep an eye out for bears. And although that'd be cool for the video, I really don't want to see a bear today or her cubs. But yeah, we're going to go definitely check it out, see what's going on by myself today. So sit back. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. All right, so you can see I made it back down. A little eventful. Slipped a few times. As you can see, I did not make it through the arch with my drone. Well, that was close, way too close. Slipped, broke the camera cover on my phone. So thank goodness I had the cover on there, and I broke my camera altogether. Yeah, but I still got it done. Wasn't the best day. I didn't catch myself slipping, falling down. That was kind of nice for once. But I did slip, like every video I do. But yeah, we're back down. I'm gonna go in the grocery store, get something for breakfast. Oops, cover the camera up. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.